This is a personalized learning portal that recommends the courses based on our interest. So here we are signing up using a dummy account, and after a sign up we are able to input the career, skills and interests. So here we have signed up using a dummy account, and here we can type the career, skills and interests that we have. So yeah, the dashboard we have created here implements a user-friendly design which recommends the courses, which is implemented by a machine learning model. So the professional certification and careers are statically populated for now, and the feedback given by the user is stored in our databases for learning purposes. We can click on the view detail options to check the course's details and go to the certification page directly.